Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to pop in here and show y'all real quick the full reveal of the March subscription kit. I am so excited for this theme because all the years that I've had my shop, I've never done anything with cherry blossoms, which is so weird because they're such beautiful flowers and like my favorite color, pink. And so it's finally time that I did something with them. And so here I'm just showing you the full kit. It comes with 5 pages. I love this bottom washi, well, the bottom washi and then the weekend banner. I love the cherry blossoms. So those are the 5 pages that it comes with. And then it also comes with the little tiny deco sheet. And oh my God, Rambo is just trying to sneak into my garbage to steal all my sticker paper. He's such a pain in the butt, but let's see if I can get through this. So it also comes with a little die cut pack. So these are usually all packaged together in a little cellophane bag, but I didn't want to open it here, so I figured I would just show you real quick what it comes with. It also comes with a foiled journaling card. This has become a staple to one of our kits. It just always comes with a foiled card now. And of course, it also comes with washi, and I just love these two together. So they're both silver foil. Like, I don't know if you can see the little silver foiled flowers there. They're so pretty. I actually used this kit with the washi in last week's spread. If you want to go on Instagram and take a look. Or, did I do a plan with me video? I think I did a plan with me video. So you can look there too. And it comes with this beautiful pen. I love this little, like, it's got like foil in there. It's just so pretty. I love, love, love this pen. I'm glad I bought some extras because I've already used like 3 of them. And like I have one in the car, I have one in my purse, and then this one in my office. So yeah, that is all that comes with the March kit here. And I hope you guys like it. The last day to sign up is this Sunday, March 10th, and then I'll be showing a sneak peek of April. So I will see you guys very soon. Bye!